just like I promised you guys in the last video, we're gonna take a walk in Mindelo, Cabo Verde. Check it out, we got this haze over here. Ooh, I don't know if you can see in the video, but we got some mountains in the background there through the haze. Looking great, got a couple ships, nice big rock out there. This water is pristine in the Atlantic Ocean. We are taking a little beach walk here. I'm not gonna say a whole lot in this one because we are just gonna look at the views, guys. Enjoy it. Got a guy doing some old school paddleboarding here. Got some kind of little kayak. Stand up kayaking, I guess. Saying it's a little grittier than you'll find in the Caribbean. This water is legit. Tell you what, that blue is a nice color of blue. Guys, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you like what we're up to. If you want more beach walk videos, hit the like button. It all helps. Oh, look at this water. I don't know if you'll make it off the coast of Africa, about 350 miles, but if you do, Cabo Verde is not a bad place to end up. Not sure what the water temp is here, but it is a little chilly, but it's that chilly you'll get used to if you hop in for a bit. Don't worry about that. Thought I was about ready to get in the game there, guys. What do you think, guys? Man, this is a beach right in town. can't imagine what they got in other spots of Cabo Verde with this Mindelo. Let's walk a bit. Unbelievable. Got these nice mountains, hills, whatever you want to call them, right here. Stuff being built up. This jetty. We'll turn around and head back the other way. Man, look how clear that water is. Man, I went downtown Mindelo for a lot of the day today. Try to get some uploads done, get some work done, but boy, I messed up. I should have called this just a beach day from the get. It's ridiculous. I mean, hardly any waves, just barely rolling in here. This is a great beach. I'm gonna get down here, finish off this down and back, and I'm getting in, guys. It's about a 10-minute walk from one end of the beach to the other. Not that many people here. Middle of the day, cruise ship in port. You can see the Crown Princess back there. That's what I come in on. And I like the spot we were at downtown. $2 cappuccinos, $2 USD. Very reasonable, but I'll tell you what, skip all that, just come here. See, I screwed up so you don't have to. If Cabo Verde is not on your list, it needs to be now. and I am going to finish this up here and go hop in. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one, somewhere other than Cabo Verde.